everyone. Welcome back again in LK Vijay classes. In this video of narration, I am going to explain you general rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. Please watch the video till end and subscribe my channel for latest updates. These rules are very important. Let's start the general rules without wasting time. There are mainly two rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech in English. Number 1. General rules. The rules which are used for all kind of sentences are called general rules. General rules may be divided into three parts. Number 1, change of persons. Number 2, change of tenses. Number 3, change of other parts of speech. Number 1, change of person. If the subject, object or possessive adjective or possessive pronoun of the reporting speech are of first person, it means I, me, my, mine, we, us, our and ours, are changed according to the number, person and case of the subject of reporting verb into subject, object, possessive adjective and possessive pronoun respectively. The formula given above is called SON formula. S-O-N. S means according to subject, O means according to object, N means no change. 1 means first person, second means second person, third means third person. So this is the formula, you can use it. First person change according to subject, second person change according to object, and third person no change. For example, he said to me, I am ready. He told me that he was ready. He said to me, you love me. He told me that I loved him. He said to me, this is my book. He told me that was his book. He said to me, this book is mine. He told me that book is his. He said to me, you are late. He told me that I was late. Remember, second person you, subject, you, object, your personal adjective, and yours personal pronoun, and object of the reporting verb has not given in reported speech. Then second person of reporting verb, reporting speech is changed according to first person or third person according to need, so that the meaning of direct speech clarify in the indirect speech. For example, Sweta said, you teach my sister. In this direct speech, object is not given. Okay, so Sweta said that. We have used conjunction that, and you change according to first person or third person. We can use I or we can use he in place of you. So we can say Sweta said that I or he taught her sister. For example, she said, I teach you. She said that she taught me or him. She said, I am your teacher. She said that she was my or his or her teacher. She said, this necklace is yours. She said that necklace was mine or hers. Next, object of reporting verb has not given, and reported speech is in the second person, and the subject of reporting verb is of first person I or we. Then the second person of reporting speech must be changed into third person respectively. For example, I said, you are laborious. I told him that he was laborious. Or we can say, I told her that she was laborious. I said, I help you. I told him or her that I helped him or her. I said, this is your watch. I told him or her that was his or her watch. If we is used as the subject of reported speech for human beings, this personal pronoun we is not changed in the indirect speech. In other words, if the personal pronoun we is used in the universal truth, then we is not changed in the indirect speech. For example, they said, comma, inverted comma, we can't live without water. They said that we cannot live without water. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, we are mortal. He told me that we are mortal. Next, if the editors of magazine, newspapers, etc. use the personal pronouns and adjectives like we, us, ours, ourselves and our, then we and its forms are changed into personal pronouns and adjectives like it, itself and its, respectively according to case in indirect speech. For example, the Times of India says, our offices will remain closed on Monday next. The Times of India says that its office will remain closed on Monday next. The Hindustan Times says, we shall issue a cartoon section in our Saturday's paper. The Hindustan Times says that it will issue a cartoon section in its Saturday's paper. There is no changing in the number and case during the changing of persons. Remember the following table for the correct form of the persons. You first have to remember first person, I and we. Object case, me, us. Possessive case, possessive adjective, my, or. Possessive pronoun, mine, ours. And reflexive pronoun, myself or ourselves. Second person, you. Nominative case, you. Objective case, your. Possessive case, and possessive pronoun, yours, and reflexive pronoun, yourself or yourself. Third person, he, she, it, they. These are nominative case. Him, her, it, them. Objective case. His, her, its, their. Possessive adjective. His, hers, theirs. These are possessive pronouns. Himself, herself, itself, themselves. These are reflexive pronouns. For example, Ram says to me, I am your friend. Ram tells me that he is my friend. Number 2. Change of tenses. Number 1. If the reporting verb is in the present tense or future tense, there is no change in the tense of reported speech in indirect speech. For example, Mohan says, comma, inverted comma, I shall go there. Mohan says that he will go there. Rekha says, I went. Rekha says that she went. He will say to me, comma, inverted comma, I am your neighbor. He will tell me that he is my neighbor. She will say to me, I am ready to help you. She will tell me that she is ready to help me. Number 2. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, then reported speech will be changed according to the table. Number 1. Simple present tense changed into simple past. It means first form or first form plus s or es change into second form. Do not, does not change into did not. If the sentence start with do or does, then convert into simple and main verb into second form. Present continuous tense change into past continuous tense. Is, am, are plus ing change into was, were plus ing. Present perfect tense change into past perfect tense. Has, have plus third form changed into had plus third form. Present perfect continuous tense changed into past perfect continuous tense. It means has been or have been plus first form plus ing change into had been plus first form plus ing. Now simple past tense changed into past perfect tense. It means second form of the verb change into had plus third form. If did not plus first form is given, it means negative sentence. You have to change it into had plus not plus third form. If the sentence start with helping verb did, it means interrogative sentence. Convert into simple and use had plus third form. Past continuous tense change into past perfect continuous tense. It means was verb plus ing change into had been plus first form plus ing. Past perfect tense no change and past perfect continuous tense no change. Future indefinite tense, it means will or shall change into would or should in indirect speech. Future continuous tense, it means will be, shall be plus first form plus ing change into would be, should be plus first form plus ing. Future perfect, helping verb will have, shall have change into would have, should have in indirect speech. Future perfect continuous tense, will have been, shall have been changed into would have been, should have been. Can change into could, may change into might, is MR change into was were, has have change into had, was were change into had been, has have to plus first form change into had to plus first form, had to plus first form change into had to plus first form, could, should, might, would will remain same. There will be no change. For example, he said to me, I write a letter. He told me that he wrote a letter. He said to Sneha, comma, inverted comma, I am doing my work. He told Sneha that he was doing his work. He said to me, they have never helped me. He told me that they had never helped him. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, I shall write a letter. He told me that he would write a letter. Change of other parts of speech. For example, this into that, these into those, here, there, now, then, thus, so, hence, thence, today, that day, tonight, that night, this day, that day, this night, that night, tomorrow, the next day, the following day, on the morrow, yesterday, the previous day, the day before yesterday, 2 days before, the day after tomorrow, in 2 days' time, last day, last week, last month, last year, changed into the previous day, previous week, month, year, next week, next month, next year, the following week, the following month, the following year, come, go, a year ago, a year before. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for latest updates.